So I just finished my load test tank, and just wanted to show everybody what it looked like. So basically it is a container for mixing cement, and I put some supports at either end, and then I ran some stainless steel rods down the middle, and then super glued these little frames onto the side of my box. So fill it up with water, and I'll have some kind of thrust measuring device here, probably like a scale that you hang a bag on or weigh fish on, attached to the back of the box, attached here, and this will pull, and as it slides forward it'll get thrust numbers. And then over here on my battery box I have the power analyzer, and it's going to give me watts, amps, volts, and peak. So with my handy dandy skateboard remote control, I can fire up the motor. Won't really run it too much until I have water in it, but that gives you an idea what it'll do. And nice controlled environment. I can test any motor, any drive, and since it's cold and can't go in the water, it's the best I could do. So it only cost about 30 bucks to put the whole thing together, plus the scale, and it took me about 4 or 5 hours to just figure it all out, so not too bad, and hopefully get some data off it soon.